driving my NCRSTopFlight fresh body off restored 365 horse convertible. Maiden voyage. Got 2 miles on it is all we have on it so far. We go to town and get pictures. Drives good. How you want them to drive. Nice and wide. Don't see this color combo too often. Working pretty good. Goes through the gears nice. NCRSTopFlight awarded original motor 365 horse with Protecto plate and outgrinding certification for the engine and the trim and VIN. This is the car. You're wanting the best of the best. This is it. Scored a 98 point NCRSTopFlight. It's the very first time out being judged after being completely restored. They don't get much better than this one, I promise you. You'll look long and hard to find a nicer car than this one. It's ready to be taken on to Bloomington Gold and then a regional or a national NCRS meet, and then you can go to McCagan and get muscle car and Corvette Nationals and get a Triple Diamond Award. So, it's ready to go. All you gotta do is take it to the shows and win awards. Or you can drive it, whichever you prefer.